today we have 2 unified PE classes bowling. We actually are taking 3 more classes next Tuesday here for a total of 5 unified and adapted PE classes. This is year 2 of this course. Part of this course obviously is physical education, but as you can see with the students, a lot of this is also the social skills, the communication, the self-advocacy skills, that everyone feels included, accepted, and everyone's kind to each other. Teamwork is kind of how this class works, and it's something that is not a stressful class to take. People make new friendships in here. The goal here is for everyone actually to have fun, and you can clearly see they're having a good time.
Having fun? Great. I like playing with Gabby, and she's really fun, and she's doing great.
It's been a lot of fun. I've learned a lot of things about other people, and I've met a lot of friends.
So I know course selection is coming up here to an end, but if you choose this course, Unified PE would count as a required PE credit for the 2 years that you need at Penn. That's something you can talk to with your counselor, your home office, or you can come find myself, Ms. Panaski, or Mr. Groff, who also teaches the Unified PE classes.